sToolTracker allows for the tracking of tools using serial numbers, lot numbers, or a combination of both. To get started, open up the sToolTracker tracking codes page. Here we define the tracking codes for our serial numbers, lot numbers, or combinations. Now select the serial number entry and press Edit. Here we define the details of this particular code. In this context, we wish to have serial number specific tracking. This means that any tool defined to use the serial number must use and select those serial numbers when modifying the journal, such as adding inventory, moving inventory between work locations, or quarantining items or putting items in maintenance. The same applies for lot numbers. Additionally, you can define tracking codes to ensure that expire dates must be entered when adding inventory. Naturally, you can create tracking codes to use any combination of these Boolean flags to suit your needs.